This is the elevator, the B Street LoHi in Highlands, Denver, Colorado. It's an older Schindler 3300, first gen. The lantern doesn't work or just isn't lighting up. Parking, here we go down. Orange door frame, that's interesting. Someone might have called it because the arrow is lighting up. It might just light up. It's 5. Stickiness on the buttons. I wonder if they had those self-cleaning buttons during COVID or something. Oh, shook. Orange door frame again, go back down to 1. It's a basic gray 3300 cab. Not the brightest elevators with a lot of 3300s, older ones especially. This elevator is in okay condition, decent condition. It's pretty dirty though. This elevator could use a good deep clean. Here back at 1. Of course, it's not going to be it.